Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna film the project pen update for the month of August, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. I'm so excited for this update because we did finish 3 products, and by we I mean I, but anyway, and we are gonna replace some products, so I think this update is way more interesting than the last one because the last one was pretty boring. And yeah, so I'm gonna start in just the order that I have them in my notes, so random order. So let's start with the highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder and I have the shade Blossom Glow. I will pop a picture with the update. The update is very slow like usual but pretty steady. I do really love this highlighter and I have it on my face today and I have it in here as well. Very beautiful highlighter, I love it. But this month I decided that I will swap it out, and for that I will introduce into the project pen the MAC highlighter. This is the shade Soft and Gentle, a very known shade. I will put a video on the screen with this highlighter. It is a baked formula, so it is pretty hard to see any progress, but for this one I decided on 30 uses. So how many months that is, I don't know. I'm not planning to have a number for each month or something like that, just 30 uses. This is a more golden highlighter. The Wet n Wild one was a more pinky highlighter, and what can I say, I did use that highlighter for practically every look, so I had like burnt orange eyeshadow with a pinky highlighter. Who cares anyway? So I will swap it for this one. This is a more goldy highlighter, but it's pretty neutral and pretty light. I do really like this one as well, and 30 uses for this one. It should be in the project for at least 4 months or something like that. We are gonna see, maybe I will have this one until the end of the year. Like I said, we will see. Next product, we have the MAC lipstick. This is the shade Kinda Sexy. I will pop a picture as well. Didn't mark a new line because I can't really see where I'm at compared to the other months, because it is still something in there. I have this one on my lips today, but I think it got lost because I put this one and then another lip gloss on top, and that wore off because I filmed other videos and did a bunch of other stuff, and now I have on my lips the project pen lip gloss, so this is kind of lost. But anyway, I did use this one a bunch of times this month, like every other month. Very slow progress. I think maybe I will take this one with me in vacation. I don't know if I want to do that or not, or maybe I will put this in my purse. I said that last month as well, but I keep a lip gloss in my purse. It's just easier to apply. I don't need to see myself when I'm applying it, so I don't need a mirror. And yeah, so I don't know if I will take this one, but I'm still hoping that until the end of the year we can finish this one, but now it seems kind of impossible, but I hope we will finish it. Next one I think is the most exciting product in here, and is the NYX High Glass Powder. Look at this beautiful pen. I did clean the pen because it had some, I don't know, dried crusty product on the pen. I will put on the screen a collage with all the months, but I am so happy with this product. It was so beautiful, and for brow bone highlighter it was amazing. Even for the skin it looks amazing. I actually have it just in here, just a tiny bit. I just use it up today. Last month I had just a ring on the exterior of this pen, and I did just destroy the product and put it in the middle, so it was easier to finish, and I'm so happy with this product. So another product to the empties for the project pen. And we are gonna replace that powder with another one, and this one is matte and is the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I will insert a video with this one. I do have a dip in it. I do have a bigger dip. I think I got my nail in there. But I did use this powder a lot. I really like it. I do prefer the NYX one just a tiny bit more, but this is really good as well. The packaging is pretty bulky because it has a sponge and a mirror in here, and on top it has the product. Not my favorite packaging, but the product itself is pretty good, so I'm very excited to have this one in the project pan. Then another finished product is the Urban Decay Allnighter setting spray. And I'm very happy that I finished this one up because this has 6 months of shelf life, and for sure I had this one longer. So yeah, it is what it is. I love this setting spray. It's of course one of the best. And I did buy another one in a smaller size. Very interesting thing, Urban Decay is not available in Romania anymore. I tried to find out why, but I have no idea. That's pretty sad. I did order this setting spray from Beauty Bay, and yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna miss the Naked foundation. For some reason I tried to order that from Beauty Bay as well, but it said that that product couldn't be shipped to my country. I will see, maybe I could buy it from Huda Beauty, but it is kind of strange. Anyway, yeah, I bought this one in a mini, but it is pretty sad. And this one will be replaced with a very interesting product. I said in previous videos that I will not try to pan eyeshadows, and here we are. I decided to put this palette because it is pretty old, and I will not try, I don't know, to pan all these eyeshadows. So I decided to put this one into the project, but because I don't have a project just for eyeshadows, I will introduce it in here just as one of the 10 items, and I think that will be okay. So I don't know what to say. I am curious if I can have some pans in here. I'm very curious what progress I can do with this palette. I already have 2 pens, these 2 shadows. I will put the video on. But yeah, I am quite curious if this will be very annoying in the next month. I will remove it and add other kind of product. But for now I am curious. I love this palette. If you saw my ranking of all my eyeshadow palettes, I really love this one. But I want to use it more. It is a very beautiful color story. I don't like these 2 in here. Not the best quality shadows, but the rest of them, the neutral ones and these 2 green bluish shades, very beautiful. So I don't care about these 2. I don't want to use those, but the rest of them, I'm very curious if I can pan some of these. But like I said, if this will be very annoying and I will be very angry at it, I will remove it. It's not, I don't want to pressure myself. I just want to see how this will be, just to try it out. And I love this palette, so yeah, I think this is the best palette that could be in the project. So I am very excited about that. And yeah, then we have the Ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer. I will put a picture on the screen. This will be done in the next month. I always say that with a lot of products, and most of the time it's not true, but I hope I will finish this one next month. It's not my favorite primer anymore. It's still a great primer from the drugstore, but it doesn't pair well with the Project Pan foundation, but maybe I will swap that out. So maybe it will work better with a newer foundation. Anyway, I will finish this one up, hopefully in the next month. And yeah, this primer, not my favorite, but still a good primer. Next one, we have the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and this is the concealer. I do have the shade number 005 Light Neutral. I will pop the video. As you can see, in August I did add some lines for the past months as well. I finally bought a permanent marker, and this one is great, so I could draw lines on products, because I tried with nail polish, I tried with other marker, and I tried with something else, I don't remember what, but oh, with tape. I tried putting tape, but it was not great. So I am happy that I finally found a good marker to mark my products. So I am right here. I don't know how many months this will take to be finished, but I love this concealer. It is great and I will continue to use it. Next one is our lip gloss category. So I did finish the Lanolips Lemonaid lip treatment. It looks something like this. It is finished. I will put a video on the screen. I did like this one, but lemon is not my favorite flavor or smell, so not my favorite product, but I did finish it up. It was great. And last month I did introduce another lip gloss in the project just to have a backup, and this is the Tower 28 lip jelly, and I have the shade Coconut, and it looks something like this. I did mark this one as well. I will put the video up. I'm pretty sure that I could have finished this product this month, but I did film a Battle of the Juicy Lips part 2, so preparing for that video I did use other lip glosses, so I didn't use this one every day. So because of that, this is not done, but next month for sure it will be done. Next product, we have the ABH Cream Bronzer, and I have the shade Golden 10. I will put the video on the screen. I don't think you can see a big progress, but I did use this one all the time. I did use it every time I did my makeup this month, and I did my makeup a bit more often than previous months, just because I started in July going into the office. I really like this bronzer. It's very creamy, very easy to blend out. It is an amazing bronzer, and I will keep it in my project pan. It is a really good product. The next products are the eye pencils, and this one is the Sephora waterproof pencil in the shade Waterfall, and this one is the LA Girl Shockwave in the shade Vivid, so a green one and the purple one. I didn't do a lot of progress because I am preparing for the battle of the eyeliners, so I did use this one once and this one I think once as well, or something like that, or twice, but I did sharpen this one I didn't. So no progress on this one just a small progress. And yeah, I will include these ones in that video as well. And next month I don't think I will do a lot of progress either, because I am still testing the eyeliners, because I want to have a clear opinion about them. So of course I will keep them in the project pan, but not a lot of progress this month. And the last product in here is the Fenty Eaze Drop, and I have the shade number 2. Last month in June I did use it 9 times, and this month in July I did use it 11 times, including today. I have it on my face, and that's the reason I did decide to film this video today, even though it's a bit early. But I did finish a lot of products and I reached my goal of 20 uses on this one, so I decided to film it today and swap this foundation out, which is a beautiful foundation. What I did observe about it is that I don't love it the first time that I'm applying it, but after like 1 hour looks way better. And what I like about it is that it wears amazing, and because I wear glasses, usually all the foundations leaves marks in here, but with this one it's so easy. Of course I have my concealer as well, so the Catrice one usually, so they are both working great. I could just blend in here and it looks like new, so they are creamy enough and they are wearing so good that I can just blend in here and we are good to go. So I do really love this foundation, but I will swap it out and we are gonna introduce into the project pan the Maybelline Fit Me. I want to finish this one up. I hope it is possible until the end of the year. This is the shade 110 Porcelain. I do really like this foundation. It is an old favorite. Of course, the Urban Decay one I like better, but this one is great. It is from the drugstore. I tried to mark it, but I think it's just above the window when where I can see the product. So it is just above that window, so right here I tried to show it in the video as well. Anyway, I am very excited to try to finish this product up, and yeah. So these were all the products. I'm very excited with the new lineup and that I finished a bunch of products. I am very curious though about the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette. Did I say the name of the palette? I don't know that, but it is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, and I'm very curious how I will feel about this product in like 1 month or 2 just by trying to pen it, but this should be interesting. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.